Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Goodbuds. We back again with the Breeders' Boo, baby. And today we're gonna be talking about using diatomaceous earth. So right now we on a day. It was just about days 8 with these girls right now. They're looking real good. As you can see, the girls already huge. The roots was dreaded. You know what I'm saying? Like the locks on my head. So we already knew that we was gonna get crazy root growth out the bottom of these cups really fast. You can even see some roots growing at the top. Like these bitches started exploding. So of course, needless to say, we're gonna go ahead and get these girls transplanted. As you seen last time, we do end up transplanting all in 5 gallons, and then we're gonna keep the 2 donors in 1 gallon pots. And every single one, oh my god, look at the cherry paloma. Every single one of these girls' roots bursting out the bottom of these solo cups. So it's about that time. But before we do transplant, you can see we got a weird leaf curl right there. I just now noticed that. But before we transplant, I want to talk about what we're gonna be using this week. But we're gonna transplant next week. This week we're gonna use some insect dust, diatomaceous earth. This stuff kills insects on contact. It's like tiny, tiny shards of glass. It is okay and it's safe for human and pet intake. But anything with an exoskeleton is deadly. It basically crawls through and it gets cut the fuck up like glass, like little glass shards tearing your ass up. Now, I've never used it while while on top as a guard, and people say that you could basically put this on top of your topsoil and then water straight through it, and then it dries. It works the same. But I heard it's not as effective while it's wet. So we did decide to try that out, and I went ahead and put diatomaceous earth on top of the topsoil, covered the tops, and we're gonna go ahead and go from there. Now, one thing that I did learn from doing this, now one, it works very well at first. Before you wet it, of course, it starts to kill all those adult flies that's running around in there. Now, one thing that I did notice that's really cool is that it did cover the topsoil. So once it got wet, it didn't have the same effect. But the effect that it did have is that it covered that topsoil still, which stops adult fungus gnats from being able to get to the topsoil and lay new eggs. So it still worked very well. It still knocked down the fungus gnat growth pretty fucking fast. So it was pretty cool. It didn't work in the way that was intended, but it's just like putting sand on top of your topsoil. You can water right through the sand too. It's the exact same thing. I was using it for the killing, you know what I'm saying, domain expansion, malevolent shrine property. What's the deal? This is your boy, Mr. Goodbuds, man. Make sure y'all check out the Mars Hydro FC 8000 and the Evo series, period, man. The new Evo series boasts the LM301H Evo chips by Samsung, which boosts the micromoles per joule per diode by 3.14 micromoles per joule. This boy is a beast. You can also add the UR45, which adds and boosts the spectrum of UV and infrared, man. This thing is truly a beast, and you can use the IR on anything, any of the FC series, man. Make sure you use my discount code Goodbuds. Go over to Mars Hydro website and check them out, man. And don't miss out on the crazy FC Evo and the LM301 diodes, man. Them boys go crazy. 301H, boy. But it didn't. We ended up getting just like a barrier, which still works out pretty fucking well. Which turned out to be pretty cool. Right now, we up underneath the Mars Hydro FC 8000 Evo. So actually, this is the FCE 6500 that we up under right now, not the Evo 8000. The Evo 8000 is my favorite light, man. Make sure y'all like this video if y'all agree. But we just clean these girls up, and so next week we're gonna go ahead and get these girls into those bigger homes and get ready to start spraying that STS solution that we talked about in the last video on the donors, and get ready to get these girls popping, man. It was a pretty fucking cool girl, man. Man, the app is dropping real soon, man, like in the next week. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all ready for that. I'm gonna send the links out to y'all. It's already in the App Store. I just said I wasn't. It's already in the iPhone App Store. I just said I wasn't gonna advertise it right now because I wanted to be anybody who looks at it. I want y'all all to, you know what I'm saying? I don't want it to be locked to only iPhone users right now. While we wait for Android, I don't want y'all to think that I didn't put it on Android, shit like that. It's definitely gonna be on both platforms. If you don't want to wait till next week, you can get it on iOS right now. It's called the Gromies Planner and Hangout. Man, with the AI assistant Trico, it's pretty fucking dope, man. Make sure y'all check that out. Ain't no links in the description right now, but there will be soon, man. Appreciate y'all. We up out of here, man.